Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda and today I'm going to be showing you guys my entire BTS album collection and merch collection. So obviously this video is pre-filmed. I am in Korea right now. I'm in my quarantine apartment, but I didn't film an intro, so I'm doing that now. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all my different social media accounts. They'll be listed down below and I'll also have them up on the screen. I don't really have much to say, so let's just go ahead and get started with the video. So I'm going to start off with showing you guys my little TV console area. In my room tour video, this was a lot different, but now that I have completed my album collection, I had to rearrange how I set up my albums. All of my Love Yourself Her albums here, and I have a little Totoro plushie. And then in the next cubby over, I have Love Yourself Tear. And then in this one, I have Love Yourself Answer. Down here, I have BTS World. I have the Wings collection here. And then I just recently purchased Map of the Soul 7, The Journey, the one that you actually get the photo card in. And I pulled June, so that is actually up on my, I think I posted it on Twitter and I might have posted it on my collector's Instagram if you guys are interested, because I didn't actually unbox this album. I got it the same day I got B, so I just didn't end up unboxing it. In this middle one, I just have B chilling here. I'm actually taking B with me to Korea. The entire set, the photo cards and like the posters and stuff, I'm going to use it to decorate my apartment once I move in. In the last little cubby here, I have all of my versions of Map of the Soul Persona. And then I have this Jimin cup sleeve, which if you guys watched my vlog, my most recent vlog, I went to a Jimin cup sleeve event and this was one of the cup sleeves that I got. So that is this little area. Above the TV, I still have the same two Love Yourself posters. I haven't changed those out, but those are the posters that I left up there. And then you go to the right. This is my desk area. It's a little bit different from the last time that I showed this, I guess from my shelf tour, but I'm gonna show you the desk area first. So over here, I have my Season's Greetings 2020 calendar. And right now, Yoongi is the picture. Here I have all of my photo cards, which I will go through in a bit. And then when you go over here, these are my little grids. A little bit different from the last time that I showed you. I don't really want to store my big photo cards on here anymore just because some of them have like dents and stuff in them now. I do not recommend doing it like this if you really care about the condition of your photo cards. My regular size photo cards, like I said, are in this little photo album thing, so those are all okay, but some of these are not, like some of them have like little dents on them. I have like the BTS World extra. I have the version 3 photo cards for the Army Bomb, or version 3, because like I said, I got a fake one. I have a plastic standee on here. I got a Jungkook postcard from Persona. I traded, because if you saw my Persona unboxing, I got 3 Yoongi postcards and then I got Jimin the very first time I bought Persona, so I got him for Persona version 3. And then I have 2 more of the fake Army Bomb ones. I have OT7 from Wings. Then more postcards from Persona, School Love Affair, my Young Forever Day and Night. This is, I believe, HYYH Part 1, so I pulled Jungkook twice for both versions, so I traded for a Yoongi. I have like the Persona film strip, more of the Army Bomb photo cards, Hobie for Wings, June for Wings, and then this little BTS mask. I have this cookie keychain, which my brother bought for me at Anime North, I believe. And then, oh, over here, so like to the right of my desk, I have my CD player. So I have Love Yourself Answer, the A disc in there. So I'll go onto the shelves now. I'll do a quick little overview. So on the left side here, I have Too Cool for School, Oh Are You Late 2, Dark and Wild, and School Love Affair. I have Young Forever, the day version facing out, and then I actually have the night version just behind there. In the middle here, I have all of my Map of the Soul 7 versions. So I just have them all kind of panned out like that. I have this RJ headband, which I don't think is official either. I'm pretty sure it was from Amazon or something. So that's just chilling there. This is the other Map of the Soul 7, The Journey, that I got. I'm not sure if this is version C or D maybe. And then this is the fake Army Bomb version 3. Then I have my School Love Affair special edition. Here's my other Jimin cup sleeve. Picked the blue one. So I put the blue one beside School Love Affair because it's blue. The blues don't match perfectly, but you get the gist. I have You Never Walk Alone, left and right. And then these are all the HYYH versions here. Part 1 and part 2. And then up here on the second shelf, I have this cold brew. My brother actually bought this for me as well. In my marquee light box, I wrote Life Goes On. Here are my BTS Mattel dolls. So these were all Christmas gifts last year. They were all Secret Santa Christmas gifts. So I have a Hobie, a Jimin, and a Yoongi. And then I kept the BTS mystery box from Cocodive, and I just have it displayed in here. Okay, and then to the right of my desk, I have my dresser area. So on top of here, I have my Army membership kit from last year. I have the Young Forever day version poster up, and then I have Map of the Soul 7 version 1 and version 4 posters up here. So I have my Tata AirPods case. I have my AirPods just right beside my bed. And then I have another BTS calendar here right beside my bed. This one my friend got for me for Christmas too, I believe. Jungkook is the November picture for this one. And then there's like an OT7 one for December. And then by my door, I still have my little letterboard that I have We Are Bulletproof the Eternal. And then I wrote all of their names and then BTS Heart Army. So I'm going to quickly, I guess, flip through my photo card book. On the front, I have this OT7 photo card. This was a gift with purchase with one of the albums that I ordered off of Amazon. And this photo album is also from Amazon. The way that I organized my photo cards is by order of fan chant and by official photo cards. So all of my album photo cards come first, and then after I get to the OT7 photo cards that came with the albums, you'll see that I have some of my like unofficial photo cards. And then now I'm getting into the other ones. So these are the VT Cosmetics photo cards that I got from the Cocodive mystery box. I also got this Jungkook one from the Cocodive mystery box. These two Jimin cards were gift with purchase. These are the photo cards that I got from the cup sleeve event. And then this one was a gift with purchase, and this one was from the Cocodive mystery box. And those are all my photo cards. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I miss my BTS merch. I miss my room. I miss seeing all my stuff. I miss seeing my collection. It was nice to film this video for you guys as well as for myself so that I can kind of remember what my collection looks like, because I am missing it here. Or the only merch thing that I really have is my B album. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on all my different social media accounts, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.